Hi, this is Stuart from Edinburgh Stonemasons. We're going to do a quick demonstration on broaching or knife tool finishing. This stone here isn't getting used for broaching, but we're just going to do it on the back of it just to show you what it is. But basically, if you imagine if that was your margin, there was your 10mm, 5mm margin on the side there, what you do is you get all different types of broaching. You get 5mm, 10mm, 15mm broaching. What we'll do is we'll do 20. We do it 20, so it'll be 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, an example, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So just basically marking the lines. Get your sinking square. You shouldn't really use that because what happens is it sort of warms it away. So if you mark this here, just mark the line. Basically this line is just a guide for the broaching, so you can keep it straight. So don't mind if it slightly changes a wee bit at the bottom, a wee tiny bit off it. The mark is just really just a guide. As an example. So I've made that 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. But that depends on the building. Depends what you're doing on the building, what size of broaching, same with the stugging, if it's tight stugging, wide stugging. You've got to actually look at the building, assess what type of tool finishing is on that end before you dress the stones. So this is, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines here. So for example, like that, you get the groove. Just imagine tapping your head and rubbing your stomach at the same time. So you want to get the angle, bring the chisel back and forth. Nice flow, breaking up the surface of the stone. You don't have to go all the way up there, so you get your brush. So the other line is that I've done 40. A lot of people like to put extra lines up the middle to keep them straight. I don't do that. I feel like it's a wee bit longer, but if you're practicing for the first time, I do recommend it. So you put a line every 10 minutes, every 10 mil. So here we go. So I'll put another one in. Another thing too is when you obviously work to the other side, you want to stop. You can't keep going, or you'll break the arris at the other side. But don't try and stop them all in the same line, because what happens when you come that way, when you build it, all you'll see is a wee line where they all join. It's quite noticeable. So if you obviously want to come from the other side, because you don't want to break that side of the stone, just keep them staggered. That way you won't do it. So if we do one more line for this demonstration. Stagger that there. Right, now what you do is you go up the middle. This is obviously to break the surface of the face here. This is the most difficult part. The harder the stone, or the shorter the gap, tends to get a bit difficult. Like I said before, this is just a demonstration, so this isn't matching anything on the building because there isn't any broaching on the building. I try to keep it easy for myself. As you can see there, broke up the face quite nicely, so I'll follow these two holes here and then we'll flip the stone up and you can see what it looks like. So nice and light, don't choke the chisel, don't squeeze it like that, just a nice flow, get comfy. Isn't it easy going up the middle, I must say. The chisel always wants to go a different way, so the tools you need here is your melt and your melt point. The tungsten, they cost about £25. Stonemasons mortar in Edinburgh, Glasgow and Perth that sell them. Also a guy called John Wine there. This is wise. Yeah, as you can see, so we'll do one more. As soon as we get a stone that actually needs broached, we'll broach the whole stone. You can see what it looks like. I prefer broaching it to all the tool finishing. I'll say it's probably the easiest to do. unless the stone is rock solid. You see, nice and gentle, I'm not whacking it too hard. So Gavin the cameraman sits back, we'll flip it up to show you a wee bit of broaching. We have to go a wee bit back, Gav. Can you imagine that was a band, that would be tooled, the whole stage would be tooled. That brooch in there. Obviously you get different widths. I think that's the best tool finish, it looks the nicest once it's complete. Obviously we've done that at 20 mils, you'll get 25 mils, you get a wee bit wider, you'll get shorter ones, tighter ones. Obviously the harder the stone, the harder it is. It's harder to go up the middle. Some people prefer to do that line, then that line, then that line, rather than doing that line and going up in the middle. Some people prefer to put extra lines up the middle to make it a lot easier. If it was a harder stone I would recommend that, but being a soft stone it's easier just to put the lines in, obviously it's quicker to get done. So that's broaching for you. Thanks very much. See you next time.